Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am going to talk about the options in the quadrant page. Okay, the first two options I'm going to talk about is over here. Can you guys be able to see the words here? 1 rotations minus 3 needles 4 times, right? It describes rotations and the needle plus and needle minus on these parts, right? But if you want to just see the dimension line instead of the word, you can just left click the meter here. The dimension line has been shown, the words has been hidden. Now if you placed the cursor on one of the dimension line, check this out. Wait a minute, let me just first transfer the Chinese to English. Now place the cursor on one of the dimension line. Can you see the across front here? And now if I want to change the value in the across front, I can place the cursor over here, but can you be able to see it? Once you moved the cursor off these dimension lines, the across front has been shifted to another part. So how can you be able to lock it? Place the cursor again on the across front, okay? Then left click. It has been locked. And there are 2 lines here, can you be able to see? Because it has been applied 2 times, okay? From here to here is a cross front, here to here, the cross front. Width for these 2 are all the same, okay? The part are all the same. 2 have 1 names across front. So now you can place cursor on the cross front and double click. You can change the equation over here. Is that right? Or change the name if you want. Wait a minute. I should left click, I think. Left click and change the name here. Where is it? Modify meter name, okay? And you can name it by yourself if you think the across front cannot really describe this part here, okay? And I'm just going to have it as a default. Cancel it, all right? The across front has been locked, right? How can you be able to unlock it? It's easy. Right click and command. See, the across front has been unlocked. So if you want to lock one of these parts, it's easy. Place the cursor on the dimension line and just click. The part will be locked. Okay, the dimension line will be locked. See, here, 2 dimension lines for the chest width and on the back part as well. So this is what I want to say for the meter and the text. Okay, and the next one I'm going to show you is, wait a minute, because the next option should be operated in the text page. Okay, so if I want to modify or shrink the word, how should I do? It's all here. See, now the size is 38. We should have it a little small, so maybe turn the 38 to 34. Okay, click here. I think the size of the word is suitable to these parts. Press the left click of the mouse, okay, and place the word to the place you want. And I'm going to place the word here, okay. The words above, place over here, okay. The color over here. What if you want to move not only the word but the fabric as well? It's easy. First, place the cursor on the fabric when it turns red and press the left click of the mouse, okay? Then you can move not only the word but the fabric as well. See, check this out, okay? This is the way to move the words and the fabric and put it in the initial place. And the next one, here, there's unshow here, nothing happened, no new words appeared on the canvas, is that right? Click here and there are several options below. Let's see the first one, show row. Can you be able to see the rows on the important nodes have been shown? From the bottom to the hem part is 36 rows, right? And 12 from here to here, 76 from here to here, the total rows, okay? All the way to the top. Can we be able to see the words here? So it shows rows, it shows the needles. Can we see the needles, the width over here? The bottom width is 306 needles, is that right? And then it meets the needle minus. So the number has been changed to 276, okay? And on the top, there are 102 needles here, okay, from here to here. So we could be able to see, the needles, the width of the fabric, okay, for all the part. Needles and rows, okay? Not only the needles, the width, but the rows as well. Next one, unit show. Wait a minute, let me see. 36 for the rows, it still shows, right? But for the needles, can we see only the width here has been shown, 276, okay? But we can see the bottom width is 306 needles. When the width has been changed, the new width will be shown on the part that has been changed. This dimension line to here, it has not been changed, so the width is now shown over here. Till here, okay? Because it minus, because it meets the needle minus again from 276 to 192. Is that right? That's why the new width has been shown here. Okay. Then the next one, auto show. Still, rows here, okay, and the width here. The next one will be on show. It doesn't show the width of the fabric and the row as well. Okay, the next one. Let me just, first zoom in, okay? Zoom in here at this scale, and when I turn back, then I still have to scroll the mouse wheels till to the perfect scales that can hold all parts, okay? So I think, this is a perfect size that can show everything, because, from the frame here, it shows everything, right? Front part, back part, sleeve, as well as the color, okay? And I think this is a suitable scale that can show everything. But what if I don't want to spend that much time to scale back? How should I do? There's one option here. That's over here. Can we be able to see Save Draw Scales? Once you click it, that means this one will be the default scale. Once you zoom in or zoom out, okay? You can just click the spacebar and return to the default scale. Is that fast? I think this is the good tool, to scale back. Okay, zoom out as well. Click the spacebar. See, it returns to the initial scale. Then let's talk about these 4 pages: the customer page, master page, equation, and measure. These are the size that customers gives you. The size of this part of the real size should match the parts given by the customers. So these parts are very important. That once we manufacture sweater, so we have to measure the size of different parts here to show the customers that the size are matched. Is that right? But what about master? These are parts that are still important, but these can just be known by itself. You don't have to show the customers. It's important, but not that important to show the customers. Okay. And the equation, well, a few episodes before, I'm showing you how to calculate the armhole height and the cap height, right? We use the equation, so all the parts that needs the equation should be put under this page, the equation page, okay? And these are the functions of the equation. And we just double click, clicking over here. Here is the equation here, and there's a logical meter. For the DIY sweater for the customers, sometimes you have to use the equation like the vertical arm height, because before I'm showing the formula to calculate the vertical armhole height. Is that right? But if you have experience in the calculation sheet, you don't have to calculate at all. If you can just click the logical meter here and add something like the chest width, for instance. The chest width from 40 to 42, okay? The value will be 19, all right? And add 42 to 44, okay? 20, and 44 to 46, okay? 21, and 46 to 48, 22, and then save it. All right, let's check out the chest width first. The chest width, we have to first go to the customer page, and under this page, can we see the chest width 46? So 46. Wait a minute. Double click armhole height. 46. 46 should be 21. Is that right? Or 22? 46 is between this range, right? Because here there's 46, there's 46. Okay, I'm going to change the chest width to 47. Okay, what do you think? 47. Okay, let's change it to 47. Chest width 47. I think once we change it, the armhole height will the value of the armhole height will be 22. Is that right? Wait. Here, armhole height 22. See? And this is used for the logical what? Logical meter. Okay. And yeah, if you have experience in the calculation, spider calculation, you can use the logical meter. Then the next one, the conversion of the centimeter and the inch. It's over here. Can we see now the value is the centimeter? Okay. If you want to turn the centimeter to inch, easy. Click here. Now the value has been calculated by. We first have to switch back to the customer page, and then centimeter, inch. Can you see inch over here, right? And both centimeter and inch. Click this one. Check this out. Okay, the measurement for centimeter, and here is the size for the inch. Okay, next one below. CUN, never used that before. Okay, so I'm in China, so I prefer to use the centimeter. If you're in the UK or the US, choose this one. Okay, the next one, measurement tool. The measure is over here, and I'm going to tell you these three parts here: the front edge, the back edge. I would call it the front clip. Okay, front curve clip. Parameter of the front clip. Here, this one is the parameter of the back clip, and here the sleeve clip. Okay, from here to here. Let me switch to the stage page. Okay, zoom in and move the back part here and rotate. Okay, over here. And no. It should be linked in this way. Is that right? Rotate. Place here. Okay. Place over here. So the parameter from here to here will be linked to the parameters from here to here. Which means the parameter of the sleeve clip is equal to the summation of the front clip and the back clip. But the real knitting environment, let's see under the quadrant page, can we be able to see there are margin here? So once it has the margin on the sleeve clip, okay, the edge here will be a little bit tight. So the parameter will be a little bit less. That means, the summation of the front clip and back clip will be greater than the parameter of the sleeve clip. But in general, we prefer to have it a little bit greater, the variance value. Okay, let's see the equation. Front clip plus back clip minus sleeve clip. If the number is negative, that means the parameter of the sleeve clip is greater than the summation of the front clip and the back clip. Okay, another thing, the suitable value will be minus 1.5 to 0. But check this out. But now it's too much, so we have to change something. The parameter is up to the sleeve width and the hip height, right? Sleeve width is given by the customers. We cannot be able to change it. So the only part we have to change is the cap height. It's over here. Double click, okay? Minus 2.2, too much. Okay, double click, 4.5, okay? That's great. Once the word turns the black, that means there's no warning here. And once the word turns red, it gives warning. So how can we be able to set it? It's over here, right click and show meter alarm, okay? And you can set the scale from minus 1.5 to 0. And within this range, the color of the text will be black. That means there's no warning. Once the word turns red, that means it gives warning. So the value is out of the scale of this value. So okay, right now it's 1.36. It's good. But once you're out of this range, +5, can you see the word turns red? I mean the color of the word turns red. That means it gives warning. Okay, telling you that it's too much for the parameter of the sleeve clip. Okay, so we have to change here. Okay, 1.3, it's good. But if the sleeve clip is needed without margin, 0 margin, okay, and in this case, I mean the clip will not be that tight compared to the sleeve with a margin, okay? So the parameter can be a little bit less. That means the variance value can be close to 0. And the minus 1.36 is still too much, okay? So what should we do? Not +4 maybe. +4. Okay, still the variance value. Modify meter alarm from -1 this time. Okay, -1 to -1 to 0. I think this range is okay. Okay, press it, and now it's minus 0.4. Okay, 0.4. It's okay. It's okay, because I have mentioned that the parameter of the sleeve clip should be a little bit greater than the value of the summation of the front clip and the back clip. Minus 0.4, it's okay. It's okay if the sleeve is needed without the margin. If with margin, you have to increase this value, okay, at least to -1. All right. Okay, just set the parameter of the sleeve clip a little bit greater than the value of the summation of the front clip and the back clip. Okay. Okay, and I'll see you next round.